meet again. Still doing ads on Doug's List, I see.
This is not a concern of yours.
Your friend put up a good fight.
Get out of here, Taylor. But the serum!
Listen to your bodyguard, Taylor. Leave the serum and this all goes away. It's all very interesting work here, Dr. Taylor. You're doing a good job. It's a shame I have to shut you down.
You're not shutting anything down.
You're cute. It's a shame I have to kill you.
If you want to kill him, you're gonna have to get through me first. And you will not be getting through me.
Sounds like you're threatening me.
It's not a threat. It's a promise. Why are you doing this?
I am preserving the essential way of life for millions from some stupid pharmaceutical scientist.
Dr. Taylor has nothing to do with this fight!
You know nothing.
Thank you, Dr. Taylor. What's in the briefcase? What exactly would you call that?
The cure to influenza and the common cold. It's called